Mayhem Goddess crew. In today's video, I will be going over the Crayon Case, in particular, the matte. I just want to say real quick that everything that could have went wrong in this video did. I dropped the mic, but I grabbed it by the wires, and one of the wires was bent, so that is the crappy audio in the video. It would be 10 times better in the next video. As you can tell, I have gotten new wires and we are back in business for the other video. Sorry for the inconvenience this may have caused you. Now, I have picked up quite a few items from them. I have picked up the Watch Me Blush palette, the MatteBook, I said Mac. The MatteBook, and as well as 4 of their lippies. So, and 3 highlighters. So I'll do the swatches for you, or I don't know how I'm going to construct this. You know what? Just enjoy. However this damn video turned out is how it's going to turn out, okay? So the Crayon Case is not new to anyone. The Crayon Case has been around for quite some time. I'm pretty sure you and a lot of other people has heard about the Crayon Case. This is just my first time purchasing it, and I had to say I'm not mad. What do you think? We're going to be taking the P. Louise base in a Rumor Zero, which is, I think, is number 0, and it's all white, and we're going to be applying that all over the lid. Now taking that purple color into the palette. There's 2 colors, girls. There's 2. There's 2 purples. This was more of the red berry tone. So we go use that purple, and we're going to pop it right here in the outer corner. We're going to make it a circular motion. Circular motion. And we're going to dab that on from this corner to this corner. Now with a flat brush, trust me, you are going to want a flat brush. With a flat brush, go into that orange color, and we're going to dab that on the outskirts. I need to make me a t-shirt to say the outskirts. We're going to dab that on the outskirts of that purple. We're just going to tap it in there, because trust me, when I try to blend it in together, it came all muddy. So I find that tapping it on there, then taking the same flat brush and blending it out at just at the corners works a whole lot better. With a fluffy brush, we're going to go into that yellow color, and we're going to blend that orange with the yellow. Now with your good old Vaseline and a Q-tip, go ahead and cut the crease, but don't cut it all the way. We're just going to go right here and then cut it from the inner corner. When you're done cutting the crease, it should look a little something like this. We're going to go back into that Rumor 0, my bad. We're going to go into Rumor 0, which is that P. Louise white base, or any white base, and then we're going to trace on the inskirts of the eyeliner or the eyeshadow, so we can further define that cut crease. Now going into that red color, we're going to pop that right into the interconta of the eye. Then we're going to go into that orange color and pop that right on the side of that red and blend those 2 together. It's going to be red, orange, yellow, green, blue. So on and so forth. We're going to continue that to match this eye. Now for the lower lash line, we're just going to attach these colors. So it's going to be that purple color here, and then it's going to be the orange out here, and then we're going to take green right here and pop a little bit of yellow right there. So quite honestly, it doesn't look like in the picture that is just the purple liner. It looks like there is a black line right here that curves the eyeball right here. So I'm going to take a black liner, which I'm using my favorite in the world, Elot, and I'm going to go ahead and trace that line up here. Now, I have gotten 3 of her highlighters, and I swear to golden God that Glowden looks very similar to Trophy Wife. I kind of want to use this. I mean, like, look at that. Can you see that? Oh my goodness. So I am, which one do I want to use is the question. So you know what? I am going to take Glowden because I'm extra as per usual. And I'm going to apply that. Yes, honey, look at that. I spilt it all over the place. It's almost like I can snort this like glow cane. Okay, look, YouTube, don't demonetize me. It was a joke. I'm just saying, okay? I'm gonna apply this all on the cheeks, in the nose, and the cupid's bow. So I have gotten 3 of their faux. I've gotten 4 of their lip liners. So I'm gonna go ahead and go with Jambalaya and Graveyard. So the first thing I'm going to do is go in with Graveyard. Then I'm going to take Jambalaya and I'm going to pop that right in the center, like so. So you let me know how you think I did. Is it spot on to the picture? I don't know. You be the judge. Let me know how you holding up during this quarantine. Is your state open? Are you ready to go out there and catch the Rona? Just saying.